the CDC extension identifies an Autodesk DesignCenter preview cache file storing thumbnail previews for AutoCAD drawing files. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or troubleshoot these AutoCAD cache files. For those complex CDC formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later after we attempt the common methods. CDC files are preview cache files generated by Autodesk DesignCenter in AutoCAD, storing thumbnail images of drawing blocks and symbol library contents. They accelerate browsing of large drawing libraries by caching visual previews of AutoCAD content for quick navigation. AutoCAD CDC files use a binary cache format, storing rendered thumbnail images indexed by source drawing file paths and content identifiers. They are generated automatically when browsing drawing folders and symbol libraries through the DesignCenter interface. Your first application to test with CDC should be Autodesk AutoCAD from Autodesk Inc. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows offers restricted insight, so reviewing the file properly must be done with cataloging software. To ensure we don't miss anything, right-click your CDC file and click Open With. Test Autodesk AutoCAD first. If it fails, select another program. We are checking all installed readers. If you still cannot open your CDC file, that is okay. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here's a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, understanding the cache. CDC files are automatically managed by AutoCAD and do not require user interaction. They reside alongside drawing files or in AutoCAD's cache directory. They improve DesignCenter browsing performance by eliminating the need to render thumbnails from scratch on every browse. Next, clearing the cache. If DesignCenter shows incorrect or outdated thumbnails, delete CDC files from the relevant directories. AutoCAD will regenerate fresh cache files the next time you browse the drawing library in DesignCenter. This resolves stale preview issues after drawing modifications. Finally, relocating cache. AutoCAD stores CDC files in configurable cache directories. Navigate to Options, then Files, then DesignCenter Cache in AutoCAD. To view or change the cache location, move the cache to a fast SSD for improved DesignCenter browsing performance in large drawing libraries. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.